Today, I will show you how to tell the difference between sterling silver and silver-plated jewelry. Hi, I'm San, and I run Gillian's jewelry store in Melbourne. Sterling silver means it contains 92.5% of fine silver in it. It's a bit harder than fine silver and ideal for making jewelry. Fine silver is too soft. In most of the sterling silver jewelry, you should be able to find a stamp, either 925 or SIL, and the stamps are usually deep and clear. Sterling silver oxidizes. Thus, a chemical reaction takes place when silver contacts the substance that occurs in the air called hydrogen sulfide. A black layer is formed. Silver oxidizes faster in places with a lot of light and high humidity. In contrast, silver-plated jewelry holds almost no monetary worth. It has a thin layer of silver which has been deposited on a base metal, which may be nickel, copper, or something else. That's why after a very short time you have been wearing a piece of silver-plated jewelry, you see yellow or coppery color under the silver. Lots of customers will come and ask me, "Can I clean this?" My answer is no, because it's not uncleaned or oxidized, like happens to sterling silver. It is discolored. The very thin layer of silver that was coated on top is worn off. And quite often, when people have sensitive skin like me, when you wear silver-plated jewelry, you start to feel itchy. That's because most likely you're allergic to nickel, and nickel is widely used in plating jewelry. Another very straightforward way of telling the difference between sterling silver and silver-plated jewelry is price. If you see a beautiful heavy bracelet and they mark it $60, it's most likely to be a piece of silver-plated jewelry than a sterling silver piece. As I mentioned before, the stamps on sterling silver are deep and clear. When I have checked jewelry for customers, I have seen jewelry stamped 925, but it's actually silver-plated. The stamps are usually very rough, and you can see that the silver coating has been added on top of the stamp. If you are still not sure after checking for yourself, please go to a professional jeweler. In most cases, we can tell straight away, but sometimes we need to test the metal using acid. You shouldn't do this yourself, as acids are very toxic. You can get skin burns and they can produce deadly fumes. If you found this advice on jewelry helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. This is San from Gillian's Jewellery in Melbourne. Thank you for watching.